Hey guys, today I'll show you step by step how to create your own assignment tracker in Google Sheet. There's a link to the template in the description below so you can download it and follow along. The template includes 4 different charts: courses, status, type of assignment, and total completed and uncompleted tasks. Now let's get started. I like to change the background colors to make it look nicer. You can fill in all the column names. Don't worry about the side and fronts because we can edit them later. Let's create the second sheet for our dropdowns of courses and assignment types. I create a list with up to 10 different courses and assignment types, but if you need more, feel free to add extra rows. Let's go back to sheet 1. I'm going to insert a dropdown in highlighted course column. Select dropdown from array, select the array, and go to the other sheet highlighted courses. Let's select arrow style. Follow the same steps for the type of assignment column. Let's customize our sheet. Now highlight the C column to insert checkboxes. You can change the color and size of the checkboxes in the same way that you change text. Let's highlight the due date column and add data validation. Add a new rule. Select eval's date and reject the input. Then you have a pop-up calendar, making it much easier to use. Let's add a drop-down for our status column that don't need to be changed. We're going to manually input what we want the drop-down to have. So in progress, completed, not started, and overdue. And you can change the color in here. Adjust the column size to fit the text properly. Let's do the same for the priority column. So now let's add a summary section. I like to have a cell for today's date. And the formula for today's date is equal to day, parentheses. You can change the date format for easier viewing. Let's add sections for total assignments, completed tasks, and pending tasks. I come back to the summary in a bit. Now I'll show you how to have it once the checkbox is selected. The whole row will strike out. We're using conditional format. Select a data range from D12 to L61 or 62, or you can just highlight the whole thing. Select the custom formula. Equals $sign C12, which is the first checkbox, equals true. Then we have it straight through. I like to make it gray of an ink with the same background. Now let's add total assignment. You can use the same formula. Make sure to select the assignment range. And for the completed task, make sure to select the checkboxes range. For painting tasks, we can subtract the completed task out of the total assignments. To calculate the number of days left, we can use the zero formula, and if the due date is blank, the result will be empty. Otherwise, the remaining days, you can subtract today's day from the due date. Let's select the completed task and painting task to create the donut chart. You can remove the background color, resize it, remove the chart title, change the slide colors. I like to show values in the chart. Let's remove the percentage. For other charts, we need to create helper columns. I just want to show the remaining assignments on my charts. So I will use the filter formula to filter out these tasks. Make sure to select the right corresponding column. And for the checkboxes equals to false, because we just want to show the remaining tasks. Let's apply the same formula for our status column. Same for type of assignment. Let's highlight the courses helper column, then insert chart. Use bar chart. Let's remove the background colors and remove the chart title. We can customize the chart colors. Follow the same step for status column. Let's change the slices color to the same color that we use in our status column. I like to add values to the chart. Maybe I should change to the donut chart. Yeah, it's look better. Let's do the same for the type of assignment chart. Removing the chart title for a cleaner look. You can customize the column's color, adding values to the column. You can also create filter for the sheet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.